How is it going, everybody? How you doing? How you doing? How is it going, everybody? Hope you are having a wonderful day. I know I am. Nice, beautiful day. Finally got to wash the old girl. Look at that shine. Oh my God. But that's not why we're here today. Not about the shine. If you watch this video up here, you'll understand. Let's get to it. Now, I don't remember the exact dates and all that good stuff, all that pertinent information. But with that said, this video is about Griot's Garage Glass Sealer versus RainX. If you watch that video up there, like I said before, you'll see when I did the Griot's Garage Glass Sealer. I don't remember the exact dates. I'll put the dates down below so you'll know when I installed the glass sealer, and I was trying to figure out how I was going to compare the two because I put the RainX on the Tahoe, as you all know by now. But then I got to thinking, hello, let me show you what I'm talking about. I was trying to figure out how I was going to show you a comparison side by side. I could park the Tahoe over here, but it wouldn't be a fair comparison unless I washed both of these cars at the same time, because with this window being washed and that one having dirt on it, the results will be varied and won't be accurate. So it got me to thinking, when I did the red car and the Tahoe, not only did I do the windshields, but I did the side glass and I did the rear windows with RainX. The only thing that has the Griot's glass sealer on it is the front windshield on my black Z28. So with that said, this has been on several weeks longer than the Griot's glass sealer. Now with that said, I'm using windshield wipers and everything with this. So will it be a 100% fair durability test? No, it won't. But I'll show you on the Tahoe also, just as a comparison. But what you will see is the water beating of this on this date is when I applied it versus the water beating on this date when I applied it versus what's already on the other cars. So with it being clean, let me show you what we got here. Griot's Garage Glass Sealer. Is it still beating here a couple weeks later? Is it still doing its job? What do you think? I think it's working pretty good so far. Pretty good indeed. Now the RainX, I think this has been on here a little over a month longer than the Griot's Glass Sealer. So here we go. It's working pretty good too. Now granted, this is not having wipers and stuff on it, so it's not a 100% fair comparison. But let me get my water hose around here and I'll show you on the Tahoe. Now keep in mind, whenever you do something like this, excuse me, oh my goodness. When you do something like this, dirt will have an adverse effect on the results. In other words, when I spray this down, I know what's going to happen. You're going to see where the wipers have been more, because the wipers will actually clean the dirt off, and it actually will fool you because there will be more sheeting and water repelling where the wipers go than the actual windshield itself, because the windshield has dirt, and the dirt will slow down, if not do away with any beating capabilities all the way around. So here goes. Let me spray it down and show you what I'm talking about. Sorry about that water. Right in the face. Get up here nice and close. Nice hurricane weather. Yeah, look at that wind blow. Now let's stop it. There you go. On the wife daily driven Tahoe, I really have none left. And I will put the date so that you'll know exactly when I applied it. I applied it the same time I did these. I'll put the date and everything. I mean, it's still sheeting it off some, and I know for a fact that if I'd washed that windshield, it would be more like that than like that, if that makes any sense. I'll show you. I'm gonna try to wash the Tahoe tomorrow, and I'll try to insert that video clip with this. If I don't get around to it tomorrow, then you won't never see that clip with this video, but hopefully I'll get it and get it done. But yeah, now I gotta get over here and get this beauty dried off. Look at that shine again. Oh my goodness gracious alive. Eat your heart out, everybody. All right, as promised, next day. Through the magic of the one thing that waits and stops on no one, time, it is the next day. As you can see, I got her all washed up. Now let me show you what I was telling you about the RainX and dirt. Now I still have to dry it. I'm not gonna lie, I got it washed. I still got to detail the inside. Cause when I do a car, I don't just wash it. I could be done after drying this, but nope, I still got to wash it. Still got to dry it, treat the tires, vacuum the inside, wipe everything down, yada 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 yada. That's how I do my cars. But if you remember yesterday, I sprayed this windshield and there was no beating on it at all. And look at it now. I used a non-wax wash to wash this car, so I wouldn't be putting any wax on the windshields or anything, so I could show you the true results. Like I told you, dirt will hide the results of any product. Doesn't matter if it's wax on your car, because as you also saw in the video, this wasn't beating up that well, but look at it now. And as you can see, the windshield has lots and lots of beads on it compared to what it did yesterday. Let me spray it down just to prove the point. Let me put the wipers down real quick, hold on. Now the trick is not to get the other car wet. Because I actually washed this one out there on the pad, but the pad has now got sun on it, so I'm going to be covering a few things you should never do, or things that you should do when washing a car. But here we go. Watch this tornado or hurricane, whatever you want to call it. And this is RainX, applied March 31st. Look at that. It's funny how dirt will hide that result. It's just crazy. Look at that. Coming right off. Looks good, don't it? Now let's close this out. I'll tell you something else, the magic of time. Yesterday the high was only 71 degrees. Today, right now, it's 84 and it's supposed to get up to 90. As you see, all the windows have great beading. Even the body has great beading on it. And I still got a long way to go. I'm gonna try to have time to coat all the plastics with some Adams VRT. Yeah, VRT. Because Chemical Guys is VRP. But with that said, I just wanted to give you an update on how good the RainX versus the Griot's garage was holding up. The RainX was applied March 31st and the Griot's garage was applied May 5th. And you can see there's not really much difference right now. Not much at all. But I'm going to get busy drying this bad boy off. You guys get out there and do whatever you find fun with your car. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for stopping by.